Never, ever, ever provide bored, unreliable, unrelatable, dry content again. Use these 10 content ideas to lure in your ideal audience and eventually turn them into your customer, fan, new subscriber, and maybe your BFF. Stick to the end of this video. Hello, Just Start gang. It's Chanique here from StartWithNique.com, the home of the Just Start University, helping you, new and aspiring Christian online entrepreneurs, to finally ditch doubt and start an online business. And even when no one knows who you are. So if you want to learn how to start your new online profitable business as a Christian female entrepreneur, then be sure to subscribe to my channel and you can follow me on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to give you 10 super engaging ideas that will lure in your ideal customer, your ideal client, your ideal subscriber, get them excited and pumped about what you're all about. If you want to actually learn about how to convert your followers into clients using a certain type of content, then you should watch this video. But this video is going to be very simple. I'm going to give you just ideas of what kind of content. Ideas. Let's just get right into the video. The first content idea is to post more on your IG story. A lot of my clients ask me or don't know what to really post on your stories. Don't overcomplicate it. Just share your lifestyle. Simple, boring activities that you might think is boring could be something really fascinating to somebody else, or it could really be a learning curve for someone that could really learn from you. Also, a bonus tip, be sure to add polls and questionnaires. Instagram has added so much new features on your IG stories that you can be able to engage with so many different people in so many different ways. So play around with that. Play around with the GIFs, with the questions, with the polls, with the quizzes. Ask questions to get to know your audience and what they're really thinking, what they're struggling with. Use your IG stories to benefit you and your business and create some excitement for your audience as well. The second content idea is to post your top favorite fill in the blank. Top favorite snacks. A lot of people right now have quarantine snacks. Your top favorite books. And you can either just make one post about all your top 5, your top 10, your top 3, or each day you bring something new and also helping your consistency on Instagram. I also really suggest that you're using a topic that caters to your audience. So if you are a fitness coach, maybe saying your top fast food restaurants wouldn't be very appropriate, but your top healthy snacks, your top exercises would be really great. So that is a great content ideas for you who might be struggling. The next content idea is really trending right now, and it's to leverage TikTok on your Instagram. So all the fun that you're having, the trendy dance moves, the voiceovers, all that, record yourself and post it on Instagram. It's going to obviously attract people because it's really trending right now. You're going to draw the attraction, but again, always drive points, but always use topics and relatable content to your ideal audience. So if you are a bookworm, then do TikToks that with fun book quotes. I don't know, using the TikTok videos and the TikTok effects and bring it onto Instagram. All right, this one's for you new entrepreneurs. Be sure to share your praise report, your client success, any type of great feedback about you, your brand, your business, your YouTube channel. Share your comments, share your next subscriber, I don't know, but share praise reports as often as possible. It is a great way to capture curiosity in your current followers, and it's a great way to build your authority on Instagram as an expert. So be sure to start sharing your praise. Whether you create graphics to show the comments that you've gotten on your YouTube or comments that your client or friends or family have spoken about your brand, or you can go ahead and just actually screenshot what they've said and post it on your Instagram, whether it be in your story or your feed, which both would be great. That is a great way to boost your plan, and it's a great way to keep consistent on Instagram. Another great idea is to post before and afters. Whether it's the before and after of your clients or the before and after of yourself. Again, this is going to help with your authority, your expert positioning on Instagram, and it's going to create curiosity, and it's proof that your product and your services work. So use your before and after. And it's a great way for you new entrepreneurs that don't have clients yet. Use your own success, use your own results, your before and after, because if you are the first basically proven result, then you're gonna have to stretch that as much as possible. I remember when I was cleaning my own home when I first started my cleaning business, and use that as my before and after, because I didn't have clients yet, but I know I can use my own home. I can clean my home and show the before and after. So you can do that as well. All right, so the next content idea is to use your behind the scenes. Yes, in the beginning stages, you are hustling, you are working. Why not get people in on the action? So there's times where you can post your behind the scenes when you're editing, behind the scenes when you're recording, behind the scenes when you're packaging your shipping labels, behind the scenes when you're going out doing photo shoots, product photo shoots. Share with people the great behind the scenes struggle and victories that you are going through right now. The seventh great content ideas is to use stock photos. It's an amazing way to showcase your brand colors, your brand feel, your brand culture, and it's a great Instagram filler as well. So implement stock photos, royalty free as much as possible, or give credit to where you've gotten those stock photos from if you can get the original source as much as possible. Another great content ideas is to share a story about yourself. Yes, let your audience know a little bit more about you, your vision, your mission, how you can help them. And this is going to also really help you to connect with your audience and turn them into a customer or a fan or subscriber. So start sharing your story. Okay, this one right here is a big one. It's quotes. Okay, don't underestimate the power of quotes. Quotes are very, 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 very shareable content. And when more people are sharing your content, that is more exposure on your page, that is more people, more eyes, more traffic onto your page. So using quotes, again, you want to use quotes that's relatable to your audience, that's going to attract your audience. Obviously, if you are a natural food page, then you're not going to post quotes about how processed food tastes good. No, you're going to have a post that really speaks life to your values and what you're all about. And when people that are all about that see that quote, they will check out the quote, they'll go to your page, and they can become your newest follower and then client, because that's what we want to happen. Okay, that's what we want. That's what I want for you. Like I mentioned before, my clients do struggle with Instagram content, and that's why I create the Instagram Grow and Attract group, so I can give them more ideas, more tools, more advice, and it's free. So if you are a new and aspiring female Christian entrepreneur, then be sure to check out that group and learn more about Instagram and how you can grow and attract in your new and growing business. Speaking about what I want for you, because that's what I want for you, I want all of these ideas to work for your good, and you are going to want to be surrounded by like-minded Christian women like yourself. That's why I created the Instagram Grow and Attract guide for new and aspiring Christian online entrepreneurs, okay, where I share tips, exclusive tips, nowhere can they be found, because I make it specifically for the Facebook group. You get to engage with one another, collab with one another, and as it grows, you'll grow too. So I am really excited to see you there. Go ahead and request to join right now. I'm excited to see you join. But don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well and watch these 2 videos if you want to continue to grow an online business even when no one knows who you are. All right, just start gang, keep sharing the good news and keep up the great work. I'll see you in my next video.